Hello, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to watch football live match online. So, football is a sport and is also an entertaining activity that keeps us alive. Most of us, that is our hobby. Now, for you to watch it online, there are a few steps you have to take. The first is to go to a browser of your choice. For this video, I'm making use of my Chrome. Just type in Kami Live, then click on your search icon to search for it. So right here, I'll click on my first website here. So right here, you're going to see the list of football that we have, and even the one that is presently live, the one that they are playing presently now. You can see them here. You can see this one is live, this one is live. You can see all this one that indicates live, they are live presently now. They are live. All these ones that have live, they indicate, they mean that they are live. You can also see the one that will be played in the next few months. In few hours from now, they can be found here. As you can see, all these events here now, these are football that is live now, that you are going to click on and watch live now. This is how it works. You can also see your next match. You can see them here: Sweden and Tanzania, France and Senegal, Australia and Jago. You can see the next match that we'll have from here. So guys, that is it on how to watch football live match online. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.